Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable dark mode on Instagram. Following the updates that have been going on in the Instagram app, there has been so many changes on the settings and privacy. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the new procedure that you can use to turn on your dark mode on Instagram. Turning on your dark mode on Instagram will enable you to reduce your battery consumption and make your battery life to last long, and also it will reduce the stress on your eyes while watching your phone screen, because the light radiating from your phone screen can actually make your eye to tear up. So guys, want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step to take is to open your Instagram app. You tap on your Instagram app to open it. So guys, once you open up your Instagram app, the first step that you have to take now is to tap on your Instagram profile icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now we are in our Instagram profile page. The next step that you need to take is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here what you have to do is to tap on the first option, which is settings and privacy. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards, then look for where it is written your app and media. So guys, you can see it here, you can see it there. So under your app and media, what you have to tap on is on accessibility. You can see there, that's the second option. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the accessibility, you can see we have two options. The first one is captions and the second one is dark mode. So what you have to tap on is on the second option, which is dark mode. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see here under the dark mode we have three options. The first one is to on it, the second one is to off it, while the third one is the system default. So guys, what you have to tap on now is on the first one. So you have to tick the first one to toggle on the dark mode. So let me show you guys how to do it. So immediately I tap on the first option, which is on, immediately I toggle it on, this my phone screen will turn dark. You will see that my phone screen will become black. So let me toggle it on so you can see it. Wow guys, you can see now my phone now is on dark mode, my Instagram is on dark mode. So guys, now for us to confirm, let's go over to our home page on Instagram. So let me tap on my home page. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap it. So guys, you can see now this is my home page. You can see it's now on dark mode. You can see this is so awesome. So guys, you can see everything now is on dark mode. You can see, and this now will reduce the brightness of my phone. My eyes will not tear up, my phone battery will not run down easily. So guys, this is how you can actually turn on your dark mode on Instagram, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.